good to see you and welcome to another keto taste test. I'm here with my personal keto chef Max. Say what's up.
Hey, what's up, guys?
So Max is an extensive chef. He works at a very high-end restaurant here, and he came up to me and said, "Hey man, have you tried the new Fox Hill Kitchen's bread? Because you're a big bread maker, right?
Like, yeah, you like I make a lot of keto breads, actually.
So we're gonna see how this stacks up. He's already tried it before, so he's gonna walk us through some of the finer points of this bread as I try them. So as a side note, I met the owners of Fox Hill Kitchens at KetoCon this year. They're awesome people. They're based in Vermont. They had a little spread out, but I told them I wanted to wait for the keto taste test here. So it's always good to know that good people are behind, you know, companies and things. It's a very small, family-owned business. I hope I like the bread.
Yeah.
That's one thing I kind of have missed is the keto bread. And I have to admit, given how busy I am, I never really make my own keto bread.
Yeah, it takes a little bit of time and effort, but...
the convenience factor just isn't there, but
yeah,
hopefully this solves it. So she sent me a note that I'm gonna read off here with a shipment. It said, "Hi Jason, here's a selection of our products for you to enjoy. Toasting is recommended but not necessary, and a bun sliced in half and inverted makes awesome grilled cheese."
It's true.
Okay, so she says, "For those who have a particular interest in the low carb aspect of our buns, the 0 sugars on the nutrition label is not a mistake. We have had our products extensively lab tested and the result was that they do not contain any sugars. This is due to the action of the yeast consuming the small amount of sugars in the almond flour." All right, and then interestingly enough, she said that we can do a giveaway. Okay, sweet. So at the end of this video, I'll give you guys instructions. At the end of this video, one guy and one girl is gonna win one of everything that we're trying here today. So that is very cool. Thank you very much, Julie. All right, so I have to admit, when the bread showed up, if it wasn't for Keto Chef Max here, I'd have just probably popped on the video and tried everything without the preparation. But my man here took it up a notch on every single one of these products. So first, what I think I'm gonna try is these rolls and holes, okay? This is, let's see here. Let's do the ingredients. So liquid egg whites, water, organic coconut flour. I'm actually gonna let you read that off.
All right.
While I try it.
So they have a blend that they use for their powders, and it's organic coconut flour, almonds, and then they use psyllium husk powder, which is actually something that's presently used in keto bread making to supply a chew texture. They also use yeast in their breads, which most people don't realize is going to add a nice airy texture and more body and chew as well. They put organic apple cider vinegar, and they use starch-free, aluminum-free baking powder. And on these guys, they just season the hell out of them.
Yeah, it's very seasoned for sure. It's everything but the bagel seasoning, you know?
Yeah, it's everything.
Have you had that from Trader Joe's?
Yeah, I have.
Okay,
yeah,
if you guys haven't had everything but the bagel seasoning, pick it up from Trader Joe's. It's amazing. This thing was like doused in it.
Yeah.
But it's good. I like the flavor. The texture, it's like bouncy, you know? Like it feels like kind of
part of that psyllium husk is gonna give it a little bit more body and chew, you know?
It's very good. But yeah, it does. It has that like al dente.
Yeah, it makes it feel like it's true bread, you know?
Yeah. Okay. I like it. On a scale of 1 to 5, we rank everything on a scale of 1 to 5. I'm gonna give that a 3. All right. So now we're gonna move on to the everything double-sided bagels. Bagels with a Z. I think this is their flagship. Is this the one that comes in small and large, or is that the buns?
The buns are the one that come in small and large.
Okay. So there's just one size of the bagels here. I chose to put cream cheese on my bagel. Let's see, here we go. Thank you for toasting this.
Oh yeah, it was good.
That's good. The texture, I think, is much better on this than when you just eat it without toasting. I feel like toasting kind of must have done something to it.
Yeah, it caramelizes the present sugars in real bread, but in this, for a fact that it's doing that, is like the body of the almond flour is getting a little bit toastier and adding a little bit of butter to it.
This is phenomenal. I would eat this every day, especially given the clean ingredient profile. I should mention real quick, Keto Chef Max is type 1 diabetic.
Yeah.
And so everything really matters with him. He scrutinizes ingredient labels and stuff. I like this because it's like, it's all clean, whole ingredients, you know? So yeah, I would eat this every day and have no problem with it. I'm sure I could stay in ketosis.
Yeah.
It probably wouldn't impact my blood sugar that much. This is phenomenal. I'm giving this a 5.
Yeah, the bagel I thought was my favorite too.
I wouldn't know. Would you have known that this is keto? Like if you would have just been given this on the street, I don't think I would have known that it was.
It just looks like a multigrain bagel, but
it's not tough like a bagel though.
No, it doesn't have that like outer where they boil it and it becomes really chewy and dense.
Yeah, exactly. It's not.
This is light and it's not as filling, which is great.
Yeah,
you don't feel heavy after it.
This is phenomenal. One more bite. Okay, now for the awesome croutons, which is cool because I love making Cobb salads and I've always missed croutons.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah, you gotta have some croutons.
I'm sure you can do a lot of other cool things with croutons and recipes and stuff, right? Right.
Instead of just using it as a salad topper, you can use it as a breading agent for your air fryer stuff that you want to use. This would be a great thing to use. You just pulverize it in your Roku and run through a standard breading procedure, which is just an egg wash and then your breading, and you'll have a nice, crisp, and almost fried piece of chicken or something.
Air fryer, man, it keeps getting brought up. Everybody keeps bringing up this air fryer. I gotta get one.
Yeah, it reduces the nutritional content of the fats that you use because you're not putting it into a deep fryer.
Okay. It
uses air as a circulatory system to fry it, basically.
If I get an air fryer, are you gonna cook me up some stuff in an air fryer?
Oh, I'll just bring mine over.
Guys, Keto Chef Max is gonna be a regular on this channel. I hired him to help me out with because I'm basic. Right, I'm very basic when it comes to like, I've just always eaten the same stuff. I'm the kind of guy that can eat the same stuff every single day. And it finally got to the point to where I wanted to share more things with you guys. So I had to educate myself. And so he's kind of
helping you out with that.
Yeah, my right-hand man on that. We're gonna get creative. We're gonna share a bunch of recipe videos with you guys. So, textures like a crouton.
Yep.
It's nice to not have the everything flavor, everything with the bagel flavor. Again, I would never know this was like keto-friendly, low-carb product. This is almost better than most croutons I've had, to be honest. They should have different, like, Julia, if you're watching, you should come out with like different flavors of these croutons, like an Italian seasoning.
Yeah, that's what I was really
it is kind of
missing on it. You know, like I could do that at home, but you know, they can make a whole nother, basically a whole nother product if they brought that in.
Yeah, I think that would really, because it does kind of taste plain. It's good to add crunch to a salad, but if you came out with different flavors of that, that would be awesome. All right, so now we're on to the awesome buns. This is a product I feel like I could use every day. So what we did here, what'd you do here? You put some butter on it?
Yeah, I just sliced it in half like a normal burger bun, and then I put some butter on top and just pan-seared it real fast so that it got nice and caramelized.
Yeah, so it adds like that little caramelization on the top. Any notes about this?
This is great. Although it looks like a multi-grain bread, it actually is really nice for a burger bun.
Yeah, we'll see. I'm gonna give it a shot here. Interesting. I like that it's thin. Because I don't really like big, thick buns.
Yeah, big, thick buns are not good.
Yeah, this is like the perfect, what do you call it, diameter. Like
you should showcase what's inside the burger.
Yeah, and you see it's got like this little, on the bottom it's like a texture right down there, and then it's a different texture on the top. You see that?
Yeah, yeah. The crust
so it's almost got like
it's
got like a bite at the top, but then goes into like a soft texture. The flavor's good. You know, it just tastes like bread. Again, I wouldn't know it was keto bread.
Absolutely.
Which is a good thing.
Right.
I could see this going well on sandwiches because it's light. It has like that light feel to it.
Yeah.
And taste to it. So that is phenomenal. So let's see here. Convenience on a scale of 1 to 5. I got to give this a 5 because I'm not making keto bread at home.
Yeah, no one wants to spend a half an hour to an hour making something.
Yeah, it's a pain in the ass. In terms of cost, I don't know the price. I need to start looking up the price of the things that I'm reviewing for these keto taste tests. I apologize for that. Hopefully it's not too expensive. I do know one thing. There was a lot of people at their booth at KetoCon.
If you really want to check it out, like the keto bread stuff is really coming up all of a sudden.
I feel like bread is like that one thing that people have to replace.
Yeah, and you know, when I first got into making keto food, that was the primary thing that I wanted to focus on, because I know people are so focused on fats that they forget about that you could have bread too.
I trust this product. I would definitely buy this product. I would recommend this product to a friend, would you?
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah, this is good stuff. So we're gonna do a giveaway now. So listen, I'm gonna post this video on YouTube. At the same time, I'm gonna post a picture on Instagram. On that picture is gonna be the instructions. I basically want you guys to comment below anything you want. Paxton Rules, Keto Chef Max, we can't wait to see you in more videos,
right? More
recipes, please. Tell us about your story. Just comment anything on the Instagram photo. And then also make sure you follow Fox Hill Kitchens, because they are going to announce 2 winners, 1 guy and 1 girl. So that's it, man.
Yeah.
Him and I are gonna go create a keto recipe. What are we making?
We're gonna be making a fat bomb, a cinnamon roll fat bomb.
Cinnamon roll fat bomb. That video is gonna be coming soon, guys. Thank you for watching this keto taste test. Again, go check out Fox Hill Kitchens. As always, keep up the good work and much love.